Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel your ReelShort subscription. All right, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your phone. At the top of the screen, tap your name to access your Apple ID settings. Once you're there, tap on Subscriptions. This section shows all your active, inactive, and expired subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. Find the ReelShort subscription in the list and tap on it. You'll see details about your current plan, renewal date, and payment method. To cancel, tap Cancel Subscription at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation window will appear. Tap Confirm to finalize the cancellation. Once done, your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period, but won't renew afterward. You can return to the subscriptions page anytime to confirm that ReelShort now appears under the Inactive section. So that's basically how you can cancel your ReelShort subscription. That's it for this video. Thanks.